What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Wi-Fi adapter goes missing on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The first thing you need to do is open the device manager. You can do this by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager from the menu. Once the Device Manager is open, expand the Network Adapter section and check if your Wi-Fi adapter is listed. If it's missing or has a yellow exclamation mark, it indicates a problem. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor issues. So, go ahead and restart your computer to see if the Wi-Fi adapter reappears. If the restart doesn't work, the next step is to update the Wi-Fi adapter driver. To do this, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter in the Device Manager and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will then search for the latest driver and install it if found. Keeping your Windows operating system up to date is essential for proper device functionality. Open up your Windows settings. In the Windows Update section, click Check for Updates and proceed to download and install any update that might be available to you. If the issue persists, you can try disabling and re-enabling the Wi-Fi adapter. Go back to the Device Manager, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable Device. After a few seconds, right-click it again and choose Enable Device. This action can sometimes resolve driver conflicts or temporary glitches. If none of the previous steps worked, resetting your network settings might do the trick. Open the Windows settings and navigate to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your network settings. Keep in mind that this will remove any saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN connections, so be prepared to set them up again. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.